Sky and candy cloud.
Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this hair, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about it, so let's just jump right in. Okay divas, so jumping right in, first of all, can we just talk about this color? These mixture of like brown and blonde highlights and lowlights are giving me life, and I love the fact that it does have roots to make it look a little more natural, because obviously like my hair is dark, so it makes it look a lot more believable. So I really do like that. Overall, this hair was a dream. Okay, I styled it straight out of the box, which is not something that's typical for me. Usually I would not do that. I have to wash and condition the hair, but I was so excited because this is like, yeah, this is my first colored headband wig, so I was just really excited to see like what it would look like and everything. So I just went ahead and styled it straight out of the box, and she looks absolutely gorgeous. Now let's go ahead and talk about shedding and tangling. I did not experience a lot of shedding and tangling. I did experience a little bit, which I expect to experience a little bit of shedding and tangling, or at least some shedding and tangling. I won't say a little, but I at least expect to experience that, especially this hair because it was colored. But honestly, it was just a little bit. I was expecting a lot more, and it was just literally a little bit. I did not experience any tangling. I don't know if that's because I haven't like washed the hair or it hasn't really had any wear yet, but I did not experience any tangling. As far as how the hair feels, it feels very soft. I only passed my flat iron through it once, and it is bone straight, okay, and looking good. It has like a really nice luster. I did add my heat protectant, but it didn't. I feel like the hair just has a nice luster on its own, so that's really good. I also really like the length. So this one is 24 inches, and I also like the ends. The ends are not straggly. They look nice and healthy, and they do not look cheap. So I really do like that. As far as the density on the hair, I really do like it. It's like a natural full, so it's just like creeping a little bit over natural, okay? And I really do like that because that makes it look a lot more believable. Like overall, this hair is really nice. It's really nice quality. I have worked with Nadula in the past. It's been quite a while, and back then their hair had nice quality and nothing has changed. So I really do overall really like this unit. It's very gorgeous, and if you want to like try like a color, I feel like this is like the perfect way to do it because of the simple fact that you have dark rooting and it's not too out there, and the color job is absolutely amazing. amazing. Like, this color job is like, I'm here for it. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. If you guys did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this color. Just talk to me. I would love to hear from you fabulous girls. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you fabulous girls in my next video. Bye.